Hey guys, it's Andre, and today I'm coming at you with the reveal of our full TN kit, our next one. I'm so pumped about this one. I actually forgot something at work though, but I'll talk about that in a second. But let's go ahead and get into these. So I did mention on, I believe, Instagram that we did up the paper size, and I am so pumped. Also, roses, I think there's a couple left. I don't know if there will be any left by the time that I make this. I think there was like 12 last time I checked. Hold on, let me turn up my volume on my computer. I think there was 12 last time I checked, but we do have a few roses kits left over, so if you were looking to pick them up, it'll be on MoreSPC. And then tomorrow, Sunday at noon, I will be listing like a la carte items, and I have the pricing for those on my Instagram let me actually pull it up. But we're just going to be selling a couple of the items a la carte, which will be the items that we continue to selling a la carte. So if you go onto my Instagram and right here, this is the little announcement that we had 50 kits left, and then right here is what's coming to the shop tomorrow on MoreSPC. So there's going to be the bundle of 3 papers, double-sided papers, a bundle of 6 die cuts, the single sticker sheets, and then the Post-its. Those will all be available a la carte if you want to pick up any of them. They are limited though, they're not unlimited, but we do have quite a bit left over of each of them. Some things are a lot less than others, that's why we couldn't make more kits, but you know. So I did take your guys' feedback and make the papers way bigger, so they're the same exact quality, like finish, everything. Everyone was freaking out about the papers, which I knew you guys would love them. So we did make them bigger. I'm not fully sure on the size that I made them. Let's go ahead and look real quick. So they used to be just big enough for a B6, but so many people wanted them larger, so I was like, sure. So let's go ahead and look right on my wooden ruler. They are 9 by 12. Is that right? 9 by 12? I thought I made them 9 by 11, but okay, so they're 9 by 12, I believe, if my ruler is correct, you guys saw. So I love these so much. They're so big. Let me show you guys. This is a B6 Foxy Fix, so you can see they are quite a bit bigger. So you can trim them down however which way you like. So there are 3 papers, and then you get 2 of each, and they are double-sided. So you get this one that has the bows with like the gold swirlies. This is obviously like a birthday kit, but you could really use it whenever, just like a springtime kit. There are presents on here, but it's just on one of them. And then this side has marble and the little swirlies. It's like kind of just like kind of springy as well. You could use it for your birthday, but I kind of get spring vibes. But super cute floral on there, and then another like marble pattern, and then here there are the presents, which is kind of the only birthday thing on the actual papers, but I love this paper so much. And then you have more like scribblies here, but again, it would be a really cute like girly kit with the gold, marble, and pink. Super cute. So you get 2 sets of those, so you get all 6 papers, and they're larger. Whenever I do sell them a la carte, I probably will have leftovers to sell them a la carte. I'll be bundling them in 3, and they'll be the same price as the smaller ones because that's just the way I roll. So that is the papers, and then there are going to be vellums. You guys voted, instead of doing the sticky notes, you guys wanted the vellums. I might kind of switch things up though, so maybe like one time I won't have like 2 of the cards and I'll put sticky notes in or something like that, but I think like for the most part I probably won't put sticky notes in them, because also a lot of them might be themed towards the mystery kits. And if you guys got the last mystery kit, this was the theme, and you could totally pull in your card that the Ultimate had, and also the Post-its. So there is that. And then also the last TN kit did have this card in here, and this was like a preview card, and there is a preview card in the birthday kit for the next kit. So this was only available in roses, so there's a completely different card, which I'm not going to show you guys. It's a surprise for the next kit, and you guys are going to freak out. So anyways, so we do have vellums. These are regular size paper, so they're 8.5 by 11, so I'll show you guys the size comparison of these. So still just a little bit shorter than the papers themselves, but you guys wanted vellum in there, so there is little bow vellum. So they are super cute pink bows. This is probably my favorite vellum ever. and then also the tassel banners, which I thought are really, really cute. I haven't figured out acetate, and honestly, like, I don't think I'm going to be able to, but I mean, I'm still working on it, but I think for now it'll probably just be vellum in the kits. Then the thing that I forgot at work are the tabs, but I'll have in the picture, I'll put like the tabs for you guys to see, but just know that this kit does come with the 6 tabs. So you do have a 4x6 card with the floral on it. You have a 4x6 card with a girl on it, and it is double-sided, so you have the option of which girl you want to use. Obviously, I couldn't do like every single girl, but I just figured picking 2 would be cute. The next one does have 4 different girls on it, just because it like only can be done that way, but you guys will see why. Then there is the little quote card, which is Make a Wish. Then there is a smaller card, a 3x3 card. I think this is a 3x4 card that says Make a Wish. This is a 3x3 that says Happy Birthday, Babe. And then there are some of the vinyl die cuts, which was another favorite. The paper and the die cuts were like the favorites. So these are also stickers. So you have the bouquet, you have a little tiny bow, the champagne bottle, floral, the balloons, and then a little birthday present. So I mean, really this is a birthday kit, but it's not like too crazy birthday. Like if your birthday's not till December and you want to use this for spring, I don't really think that it's going to be like super wild. So what I did, if you guys saw on Instagram, is another thing that was really requested was to separate kind of the deco and then the stickers to make the deco kit like a cheaper price. So I did go ahead and do that. So the TN Deco Kit, which is everything I just showed you, it comes with the 6 papers, these 6 vinyl die cut stickers, these 6 tabs, the 2 vellums, the 1 4x6 card, the 1 4x6 double-sided card, the 1 3x3 card, the 1 3x4 card, and then the 3x4 sneak card, which I didn't show you guys because you guys will get it in your thing as a sneak card, is going to be the $16.95. And then you can add it on if you want, or you're going to be the sticker sheets. So let me go ahead and grab those. They are somewhere around here. So let me pull these out. So the sticker sheets, there is 3 4th sheets and then 1 6th sheet. So these are like the size of our Scribbler Girl sheets. So these are the ones that were in last time. And then I also did a $2 Tuesday size sheet, just to kind of give you a little bit of sheet variety, because I know a lot of you guys are going to use these kind of decorate your planner, which is how I use them. So this is going to be $9.95, so it's separate. So if you want to just get the TN kit, you can do that, or if you want to just get the stickers, you could do that as well. So you do have the little tabs here, which have all different tabs you could put on the tabs, tab stickers you could put on the tabs, and I did change the font so it's a little bit different from last month. There are some flags, you guys really enjoyed those. A little deco sheet, which has all the different like birthday deco on there, and then I also did a little Scribbler sheet with a bunch of the different girls, and I thought this would be so cute, especially if you have, like my planner, a side pocket like this to stick them out of. So cute. You can even like trim off the Scribble Prints Co. I won't be offended. So I think that's super duper cute. All very functional and adorable. So again, this little pack here will be available. And then if you want to buy more of the sticker sheets, you can. Like if you want to buy 2 packs of these, you can buy 2. Or if you just want to buy 2 of the TN kits, you can do that as well. And it's not crazy. Like you're not getting more stickers than you want, and you're not getting more of a TN kit than you want. So this is going to be $9.95 and available as a pack. I will, whenever we do the a la carte leftovers sale, I will have these available separately. They will be the price of $3.95 and then $2. So that is everything for this kit. I'm obsessed with the vellum. I'm so glad that we figured it out. And I also we'll have a picture with the tabs, which they just will like look like the papers, honestly. But there's 6 of those, just so you guys know. I'm really excited for next month. There is the sneak card, which I didn't show you guys, and you guys are going to love it. But this is going to be coming to MoreSPC on Monday at noon. Yeah, Monday at noon Eastern. So that's everything for this video. You guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I hope that you guys like this month's kit. I think I'm going to do them monthly. And I am so pumped to hear you guys' thoughts. So thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you later.